In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make videos with Sora 2. Whether you're a seasoned videographer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process of creating professional-looking videos with ease and efficiency. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Sora 2 website. You'll find it's a user-friendly platform designed specifically for video production. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. For those who are new, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process. Just provide the necessary details, and you'll be ready to go. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the intuitive dashboard. Now let's talk about your video project. The next thing you'll need to do is type in your prompt or script. This is the foundation of your video content. Sora 2 offers the flexibility to tailor your script based on the message you want to convey. So whether it's a brief vlog or an in-depth tutorial, keep your target audience in mind while typing it out. After your script is ready, it's crucial to decide on the video format. You have the option of going with either landscape or portrait modes. The choice largely depends on where you plan to share your video. Landscape is great for platforms like YouTube, while portrait suits social media sites like Instagram or TikTok. The third step involves adding visuals to your video. This is optional but highly recommended to enhance the viewing experience. If you have specific images that support your message, this is the time to upload them. Visuals can drastically improve engagement, making your content more appealing and easy to digest. Once your script and visuals are in place, it's time to generate your video. Hit the Create button and let Sora 2 work its magic. It's impressive how quickly the platform renders your project, transforming it from mere text and images into a polished video. With your video generated, it's essential to preview it. This lets you ensure everything has turned out exactly as you envisioned. Watch through it carefully, listen to the audio, check the visuals, and look out for any areas that might need a tweak. Sora 2 makes it effortless to make edits, so don't hesitate to refine your video until it's perfect. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the final product, go ahead and download it. Now your video is ready to share with the world. As you've seen, creating videos with Sora 2 is a seamless and engaging process. Following these steps ensures your content is both impactful and visually appealing. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and encourage you to explore more of what Sora 2 has to offer for your video production needs. Happy creating!